Did you know some hornbill birds seal themselves inside their nests for weeks? But the interesting way that hornbills make their nests is what really makes them unique. The female hornbill chooses a good tree hole during breeding season and locks herself within with a mixture of mud, droppings, and food scraps. She simply leaves a little opening for the male to feed her through, protecting both their unborn chicks and herself. The female stays enclosed for a few weeks as she calmly incubates the eggs and waits for their progeny to arrive. This amazing adaptation serves as a barrier between the nesting mother and her young and any predators hiding in the forest below.